Your brain is the main vessel in your daily activities. It helps you function in every situation that you may in. Your duty is to provide whatever good nutrients to make your brain works well. You are what you eat. While you may not literally transform into the things you eat, your nutritional choices certainly play an important role in your overall health. Not only that, but there are certain foods that can even help to maintain or improve the health of your brain. Eating the right foods to keep your brain healthy can dramatically decrease your risk of developing neurological problems later in life. So, here are some of the best foods for your brain. Blueberries. Blueberries contain a compound that has both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. This means that blueberries can reduce inflammation, which reduces the risk of brain aging and neurodegenerative disease. Furthermore, antioxidants have also been found to aid in communication between brain cells. Blueberries can help maintain brain function and improve memory. Oxidative stress can accelerate your brain's aging process, negatively affecting brain function. According to animal studies, the antioxidants in blueberries may affect areas of your brain that are essential for intelligence. Eggs. Eggs are rich in B vitamins and a nutrient called choline. B vitamins help to slow cognitive decline, and deficiencies in B vitamins have been associated with depression and dementia. The body uses choline to create the neurotransmitters responsible for mood and memory. Eggs offer a host of healthy nutrients. As far as brain health goes, egg yolks are a good source of choline, which is associated with reducing inflammation and promoting brain function, like maintaining memory and communications between brain cells. Fatty fish. Fish such as trout, salmon, and sardines contain large amounts of omega-3 fatty acids. Not only is 60% of your brain composed of fat-containing omega-3s, but it is also essential in the production of brain and nerve cells. Deficiencies in omega-3s can cause learning problems and depression. Oily fish are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s help build membranes around each cell in the body, including the brain cells. They can, therefore, improve the structure of brain cells called neurons. A 2017 study found that people with high levels of omega-3s had increased blood flow in the brain. Fruits. Certain fruits such as oranges, bell peppers, guava, kiwi, tomatoes, and strawberries contain high amounts of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps prevent brain cells from becoming damaged and supports overall brain health. In fact, a study found that vitamin C can potentially prevent Alzheimer's. Eating a single citrus fruit a day will help boost your memory system, and you give your brain a right amount of nutrients it needs to do its work. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as broccoli, collards, spinach, and kale contain various nutrients such as vitamin K, lutein, folate, and beta-carotene. Vitamin K helps with the formation of fat inside brain cells and has been seen to improve memory. Leafy greens are an excellent source of vitamin E, which helps to reduce inflammation in the brain as well as preventing the buildup of plaque on brain cells, associated with Alzheimer's disease. Meanwhile, as a great source of folate, leafy greens can help with a healthy vascular system. Research suggests these plant-based foods may help slow cognitive decline. So, every day make it a habit to eat healthy and greeny vegetables. Nuts. Nuts contain healthy fats, antioxidants, and vitamin E, which have been found to be beneficial for both the brain and heart. Walnuts, in particular, also contain omega-3 fatty acids to further improve brain function. In fact, nuts have been linked to improved cognition, sharper memory, and slower mental decline. Researchers find that nuts benefit the brain by enhancing cognition, memory, recall, and rest. A new study has found that eating nuts on a regular basis strengthens brainwave frequencies associated with cognition, healing, learning, memory, and other key brain functions. So, be sure you take a nuts in your snacks every day to boost your memory system. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds contain antioxidants, as well as zinc, magnesium, copper, and iron. The brain uses zinc for nerve signaling, magnesium for learning and memory, copper for controlling nerve signals, and iron to prevent brain fog. Pumpkin and pumpkin seeds are both rich in fiber, and fiber actually promotes good brain health via the gut-brain axis. The high magnesium content of pumpkin seeds can lead to stress and anxiety relief and an overall sense of calm. Over the past 50 years, as magnesium consumption has plummeted, anxiety rates have gone up drastically. A calm and controlled mind increases your decision-making power and brings you a better sense of clarity. Pumpkin seeds can also help produce serotonin, the incredible neurotransmitter that helps us feel happy. According to the NCBI, serotonin is one of the most important neurotransmitters that influence mental health. Tea and coffee. Both tea and coffee contain caffeine, which boosts brain function and improves alertness, as well as antioxidants. Green tea also contains the amino acid L-theanine, which can cross the blood-brain barrier and increase neurotransmitter activity. Coffee and tea may do more than just jolt you awake, they could also help keep your brain healthy, according to a slew of recent studies. Researchers have linked these beverages with protection from depression, Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. A recent study led by researchers from the National University of Singapore, NUS, revealed that regular tea drinkers have better organized brain regions, and this is associated with healthy cognitive function, compared to non-tea drinkers. Turmeric. Turmeric is a dark yellow spice that is commonly found in curry powder. Not only is it a strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory substance, but it can pass through the blood-brain barrier to enter the brain directly. Turmeric has been associated with improved memory, less depression, and the growth of new brain cells. Studies have shown that turmeric can help with brain fog thanks to the active compound, curcumin, which possesses anti-inflammatory properties, helping with inflammation associated with the condition. There is growing evidence that curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier and may help to protect against Alzheimer's disease. It works to reduce inflammation as well as the buildup of protein plaques in the brain that are characteristic of Alzheimer's disease sufferers. Whole grains. Whole grains such as bread, pasta, barley, brown rice, oatmeal, and bulgur wheat contain vitamin E, which is used to protect and preserve healthy cells. In protecting these cells, vitamin E preserves brain function and prevents neurodegeneration. Whole grains are packed with nutrients including protein, fiber, B vitamins, antioxidants, and trace minerals, iron, zinc, copper, and magnesium. A diet rich in whole grains has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and some forms of cancer. Research suggests that consuming whole grain foods as part of an overall healthy diet positively impacts cognitive function. So, we now know what are some of the foods that our brain needs in order to maintain its good function. We must always remember that taking care of our brain is just so important. It's the most important organ in our body, so the brain health is vital for our overall health. Even before you leave the womb, your brain works throughout your life to control your body's functions and helps you understand and interact with the world around you. Maintaining a healthy brain will help your mind stay clear and active, so that you can continue to work, rest and play. Thank you for watching this video of some of your favorite country dishes. Hope you enjoy. See you in our next video.